Alright, picture this. You're out in the wild, surrounded by nature, and you've got a roaring campfire going. It's time to level up your cooking game with some bushcraft skills. Forget about fancy stoves or microwaves, we're going old school here. First things first, find yourself a sturdy stick. This will be your trusty cooking utensil. Now let's talk food. You can't go wrong with some good old hot dogs. Skewer them onto your stick and hold it over the flames. Make sure to rotate it slowly for even cooking. The sizzle, the smell, it's pure campfire magic. But why stop at hot dogs? Get creative. Wrap some bacon around a stick and let it crisp up over the fire. Or how about some foil wrap potatoes? Just bury them in the hot coals and let them cook to perfection. The possibilities are endless. Now here's a pro tip. Don't forget to bring some aluminum foil. It's a game changer. You can wrap up veggies, fish, or even a delicious campfire dessert. Just place your ingredients on the foil, season them up, and fold it into a neat packet. Toss it onto the fire and let the flames work their magic. Remember, bushcraft cooking